Hi, baby girl. Hi. You gonna come help? Oh.
Oh, yay.
Okay. Well.
Need a hand?
No, I'm gonna have Chris help. Hopefully. Oh.
Should I continue filming?
No. Yes.
Yes.
No.
Kind of figured.
Nope. Okay, no, I need you to get the other end done. Like, quickly. Please. Ow. I need you to unwrap her from my shoulder, please. Okay. Get her off. Nope. So, this is why you have two people. Can we see if we can get her off of my arm?
What did you do?
Okay, her wrapping my leg isn't as so get the snake hook and see if you can get it like inside her. No, don't pull her that way.